Hey guys, welcome back, and if you're new here and tuning in, glad you could join us. Last episode we installed a PPA. Today we're going to learn how to uninstall the PPA. Now you might be wanting to know, why would we want to uninstall a PPA? Well, sometimes a PPA you'll install it and then you find out it's not supported for your version of Ubuntu. So you want to uninstall it because it will cause a lot of terminal issues. So we're going to go to our virtual machine now. You're going to type console. And you're going to type sudo apt install ppa-purge, P-U-R-G-E. Now mine's going to automatically install it because I've uninstalled it a couple of times in virtual machine just to test things out. So you press enter. It'll ask for your password, so you put in your password. And now that mine's automatically installed, after you have installed the software, you're going to type sudo ppa-purge web, and then you're going to press tab. This is going to uninstall the Atom PPA we installed last time. So you're going to press enter. It's going to update your package lists. It's going to ask you, do you want to do this? You're going to press Y, and then you're going to press enter. And now that is done, just as a precaution, we will type sudo apt auto remove. And it's going to say there's certain things that are no longer required that will be removed. So you press Y, and then you press enter. And just like that, you have uninstalled the Atom PPA. So also I should note that since you uninstalled the Atom PPA, you will no longer have the Atom software, as you can see. Other than that, my name is Josh. Thank you for watching. Comment, like, subscribe. Oh, also, I have made an Instagram to easily promote my channel. It is Instagram at EZ, the letter E, the letter Z, Linux. So if you like what I'm doing, please follow me on Instagram. Bye-bye. Hey guys, welcome back, and if you're just tuning in, welcome to this channel. Last episode we uninstalled